here just introduction of chapter, first thing. Second thing, what we are going to cover in this chapter, हम लोग क्या क्या पढ़ेंगे इस chapter में, we should know it very well. And then what is the exact structure of this chapter and how can you access this chapter from the uh, site as well, right? That is my purpose here. And at the same time, you can share your point of view, your experience, and any specific concern if you have, then you can share that, right? First 10 to 15 minutes, I am focusing on the topic just to ready for the chapter study. Mean you can say that is a fill the gap concept, making a bridge concept basically between present state of the knowledge and to next level of the knowledge which require for this chapter. Okay, that is my target here. Now we go through the slide by slide. Yeah, first slide, first question is what is metallurgy? What is metallurgy? This is our first question basically, or we can say कि हमें क्या करना है, ये मेटलर्जी होता क्या है भाई. ओके, एंड दिस इज द नेम ऑफ चैप्टर एज वेल. तो इस चैप्टर में क्या है ये हम लोग करेंगे पहले सबसे काम. C1 graphic. Yeah, in this graphic, very simple graphic, here metal compound, okay, that is also known as ore convert into metal and metal ultimately convert into ore. Study this concept with the help of example as well. That example of iron you can take. Okay, we all are very much familiar with the iron. Am I right? Maybe a very big gate in front of your house that may be made up by the iron. लोहे से बना हुआ कोई आर्टिकल ऐसा आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं इस समय. Okay, then here metal considered as a iron support. This iron, due to the atmospheric conditions, okay, iron due to the atmospheric condition continuously convert into the iron oxide, that is commonly known as the rust basically. And this rust ultimately mix with the earth crust. मीन ये अल्टीमेटली कहाँ जाती है रस्ट जो बनती है, डिफरेंट सोर्सेज के थ्रू जमीन में चली जाती है, अर्थ क्रस्ट में चली जाती है, एंड मिक्स विद द अर्थ क्रस्ट एंड अल्टीमेटली कन्वर्ट इनटू द as a compound of the metal or the compound of that particular element. Maximum metals are reactive, that's why they quickly react with atmospheric condition as per the nature. Few reactions are slow in that case, few reactions are very fast. If we take the case of the sodium, reaction is very fast, but in case of the iron, reaction is slightly slow. Okay, it takes time, but ultimately convert into the compound. Now, our requirement is metal basically. Then we take this type of the compound from the nature and convert into the metal. This is a metal cycle, you can say. This is a metal cycle basically. Now, next question is this. These compound means ores or minerals, you can say. We can study in the regular classes in the detail what is the meaning of mineral and ore and what is the difference. But these compounds of the metals known as ore is different types as well as per the nature. Okay, Ayush, sorry मैंने class start कर दिया, but we are only from the first slide, right? Thing is this is a metal cycle, Ayush. Metal compounds convert into metal as per the different process, which is a study of metallurgy basically. And these metals which exist in the surroundings over, they react with the atmospheric conditions and convert into the compound. Mean metal compound में compound को metal में यही convert करने का खेल पूरी जिंदगी चलता रहना है भाई. ठीक है. Now different ores found in the different types. The one is the native ores, another is sulfized ore, oxidized ore, and halide ore. This slide you can as well find on my Facebook page. उसका डिटेल बना हुआ है इसमें. There are different types of the ores. Few native ores for the least reactive metals. Least reactive metals like gold, like platinum. तो ये क्या करते हैं, एग्जिस्ट इन द फ्री स्टेट और द मेटेलिक स्टेट. ओके, क्योंकि भाई देखो ये रिएक्शन ही नहीं करेंगे, लीस्ट रिएक्टिव है, तो नेचर में भी कैसे मिलेंगे, फ्री स्टेट में या मेटेलिक स्टेट में. तो ऐसे कंपाउंड्स को, ऐसे ओर्स को हम बोलेंगे नेटिव ओर्स. देन सल्फ्यूराइज्ड ओर. Few elements very quickly react with oxygen or the form oxides like iron. They can exist as a oxide ore. Few elements can react with halogens, then they can form halide ores like silver. Silver convert into AgCl in nature. That is a sulfide ore. Silver glance is known, right? The different compounds in the nature, that is ores. ये जो मेटल के कंपाउंड्स हैं बेटा, ये इस फॉर्म में मिल सकते हैं, और इन मेटल कंपाउंड से जो हम पूरा प्रोसेस करके मेटल बनाते हैं, दैट इज बेसिकली मेटलर्जी. व्हाट इज मेटलर्जी? मेटलर्जी इज द प्रोसेस in which compounds of the metal convert into pure metal. Okay, that all steps, all process, all mechanism, one word, metallurgy. Got it? Now we see what are the different steps of these metallurgies. Okay, overall we have four major steps in the metallurgical process. Here written on screen, process of extracting pure metals. There are four steps. Step number one. Step number one is the concentration of ore. Concentration of ore means we just try to concentrate the ore, means we remove the physically attached impurities here. We try to remove physically attached impurities here. Then step number two, that is a convert into metal oxide, means उस ore का जो major element होगा, that element convert into the metal oxide, and sometimes we can convert it into any suitable form. Any suitable form. Okay. There are different forms basically, but most common form is metal oxide. Most common form is the metal oxide. Now, step number three, that is a metal oxide convert into metal now. Metal oxide convert into metal, that is the fourth step, or if we convert into any suitable form, that suitable form convert into metal. Then fourth one and final step, purification of metal. There are four steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, we get the pure metal. Here we start from the ore. So metallurgy is ore to pure metal. Metallurgy means how to convert ore into pure metal. That whole exercise, whole steps, पूरा कार्यक्रम, पूरी बात एक टर्म है, that is metallurgy. क्या होता है metallurgy, समझ में आया भाई? Yes. Yeah, some question here on chat box. Means in third step we get impure metal. Okay, in the third step, metal oxide, when we convert into metal, yeah, in this step we have some impurities as well. Then you can say metal, impure metal as well. Okay, at the end of the third step your statement is correct. Impure metal mean it contains some impurities as well, but in this stage level of impurities, percentage of impurities are very less. 98% तक तो प्यूरिफिकेशन हो ही चुका होता है, बट इन दिस फाइनल स्टेप वी गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट 2%, 1%, 1.5%, 9 something, and after the purification methods we get the 99.99% pure metal. Okay, this is a fact. Now we go through these steps in detail now. Yeah, first step is the concentration of ore. Here we have four different process as per the nature of the ore. First method is on your screen, that is the hydraulic washing or gravity separation method. This is for the heavy metal oxide ore. Heavy metal oxide ores mean iron oxide. Okay, like ores like this. Second method is magnetic separation method. This is especially for the magnetic ore. Again, iron ore is very suitable for this. Then froth flotation method is a very specific method, and it is for the sulfide ore like copper sulfide, okay, like iron sulfide, like जिंक सल्फाइड, ऐसे ores के लिए ये काम करता है, and that is very important for us. Chemical separation method is a very specific method and special elements के लिए होता है, and that is as per the nature of that ore itself. उस ओर की जो केमिस्ट्री होगी, उसका जो नेचर होगा, उसके अकॉर्डिंग इस मेथड को हम लोग डिफाइन करते हैं. एल्यूमिनियम की मेटलर्जी हमें डिटेल में पढ़नी होती है, उसमें हम लोग केमिकल सेपरेशन मेथड को यूज करेंगे. राइट, देयर आर 4 मेथड्स बेसिकली. अब मैं मेथड के डिटेल्स में अपने रेगुलर क्लास में जाऊंगा, मैं अभी उतना कवर नहीं कर सकता. राइट, बट मैंने नेम इंट्रोड्यूस किया आपको. नाउ second step, convert into metal oxide. There are two way: roasting of sulfide ore and calcination. Roasting means heating of the ore in the presence of oxygen, and calcination in the absence of oxygen. That's why this is for carbonate ore. Carbonate ore means CO3 minus 2 ion. It already contains oxygen. There no issue converting to the oxygen itself. But for sulfide ores, we need addition of oxygen. That's why in roasting, heating in the presence of oxygen. Calcination, heating, yeah, in the absence of oxygen. That is a key point or the clue point. Okay. Now, next is the reduction of metal oxide into metal. We use reducing agents here. Removal of oxygen required actually. So first reducing agent is the coke. Coke means pure carbon. Okay, coke की बात कर रहे हैं. Second, reduction by carbon monoxide. What is this? Carbon monoxide. This is another very good reducing agent. Third is the bihydrogen. It is a reducing agent. And electrolytic reduction. This one is the most important. हम लोग डिटेल में इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक रिडक्शन की बात करेंगे इन द केस ऑफ मेटलर्जी ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम. राइट, देन वी गो फॉर द प्यूरिफिकेशन ऑफ मेटल. फॉर द प्यूरिफिकेशन, इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक रिफाइनिंग इज द ओनली वन very good method, you can say. We have another method as well, but it is a very common method, very useful method, and those who are joining with electrolysis with me, they know how we can electro refining use in the metallurgy in the tomorrow's class. That is the application of electrolysis basically. Okay, these are the things. Can you recall first step here? Name of the first step? Concentration of ore, am I right? Second is conversion into metal oxide, MO. Then third is reduction into metal, and fourth one is purification. In short, that is CCRP, right? Purification. It's a CCRP. There are 4 steps. You can summarize the 4 letters. CCRP: concentration, conversion, reduction, purification. हो गया याद? बोलिए भाई. Can you recall very easily CCRP? And anyone can give the some unique line with these 4 letters CCRP, then we can recall these things or more easily. CCRP बताओ भाई, कोई बना सकता है कोई quickly? This is a way of the memory techniques basically, and you can correlate the things in a unique manner, then you can recall the things very easily. This is based on the mind working of the mind over. Okay. Now our next question is this: what we are going to study in this chapter? We are going to study about the occurrence of metals in nature, mean mineral और ये सब पढ़ेंगे. This is the scope of syllabus provided by the council. We must cover each and every point of this scope of syllabus. Okay. Here important things are there or extract. These are the different steps of metallurgical process जो अभी मैंने थोड़े थोड़े बताया आपको. Then third section is the extraction of aluminium. This is only major part of the syllabus. And then about the alloys composition, uses, and some uses of metals as well. Okay. Overall there are 4 sections as per the scope of syllabus, and my notes and my live lessons and questions, each and everything based on this scope of syllabus only. We must cover each and every word of this scope of syllabus because question paper cannot go outside this scope of syllabus, right? This already. Okay. This is a basic page of my website. These are the courses, and this is your new course, metallurgy, right? For the class 10, metallurgy is available, electrolysis is available, organic chemistry, chemical bonding, and periodic table. 5 chapters of class 10 is available as well here. Okay. Then we can see if you go for the electrolysis, when you click this one, then you get this page. This is a landing page of the base on section of that. Here you can find the details actually, right? In this chapter, again, I am going to divide 5 sections, right? Again, 5 sections. One is the metallurgy, general principles. Under this section, we are covering 10 lessons. That is a part 1, introduction in basic terms. It's a live lesson for that. Then class notes. Then part 2, concentration and conversion of food. There, we are going to discuss the different methods here. Then live stream based on the part 2 here. Then class notes. हाँ, क्लास नोट्स मैंने पहले भी जैसे बताया था कि क्लास के बाद अपलोड होते हैं. जैसे ही क्लास होगा उसके बाद ही पीडीएफ उसका अपलोड कर दूंगा मैं. जो क्लास में पढ़ाएंगे उसका पीडीएफ होगा वो. Then reduction into metal and purification, that is the third and fourth step of the metallurgy basically, and this is the first section. At the end of section you can see practice questions and self assessment. This is the old version, old way of my structure of chapter. Then second part, extraction of aluminium. Again here we have a different parts, quiz each and everything. Then third part, metals, alloys and uses. Then we go for the revision, flow chart, flashcard, equation worksheet, each and everything is there. Equation worksheet. अच्छा, यहाँ पर एक चीज और बता दें, और आयुष, सेठ, अंशिका, आप लोग अभी इस सेक्शन को अच्छे से यूज नहीं कर रहे हो. दिस इज ए अटैचमेंट. जहां पर भी बेटा अटैचमेंट लिखा रहेगा यू कैन डाउनलोड इट. ओके. तो जहां जहां पे मैं आपसे प्रैक्टिस करवाना चाहता हूं वहां मैंने अटैचमेंट में चीजें दी हुई हैं. यू कैन डाउनलोड एंड प्रिंट एंड देन डू योर प्रैक्टिस वर्क, राइट. तो ये प्रैक्टिस शीट्स में भी अटैचमेंट्स लगे हुए हैं मेरे, और इक्वेशन वर्कशीट में जैसे मैंने लगा दिया है. यहाँ रिवीजन में 3 लेसन्स में अटैचमेंट लगाए हैं. तो जहां जहां जरूरत है वहां अटैचमेंट लगा रखे हैं मैंने. ओके. जहां जहां मैं डाउनलोड चाहता हूं आपसे. देन असेसमेंट, informal and formal assessment. This is the quizzes section actually, and there are 2 quiz here. One is the objective and another is the subjective, that is under construction. मैं इसको आज complete करके ready करूँगा. Okay, clear? This section about me, you can, if you are interested about me, then you can learn something here. Now about this course, in this course overall we have 5 chapters, chapter notes, 5 live lessons, practice question more than 100, self assessment 3, practice assignment 3, word search and crossword 2, objective and subjective test 2, right. Out of these overall tests, 28 lesson, 9 are trial basis. This is a detailed when you want scope, then you just click this and you can get scope. Okay, this is a link for the scope of syllabus, the same page which appear on that slide. तो ये था अपने पास ये सेक्शन. अब इस कोर्स के अंदर कैसे जाएंगे देखिए, अब मैं वो सेक्शन भी आपको दिखा देता हूँ. जैसे मैं इसमें जाना चाहता हूँ फॉर एग्जांपल मेटलर्जी में, तो अब ये वाला सेक्शन मैंने खोला. अभी मैंने क्योंकि इसको अपने पैनल से खोला हुआ है तो ये रजिस्टर्ड दिखा रहा है आपको. आपके पैनल पे दिखेगा तो वहां आपको परचेज करने का ऑप्शन देगा वो. तो ट्रायल लेसन यू कैन एक्सेस डायरेक्टली एंड ये लाइव बाकी लेसन आप लिखा हुआ दिखेगा उसके. देन इसको ओपन करेंगे, देखिए तो नोट्स दिख जाएंगे. इन दिस व्यू यू कैन रीड द नोट्स ऑन स्क्रीन. ओके, दिस इज द वे. आई थिंक इज ए क्रिस्टल क्लियर नाउ. ओके, यू कैन सी दिस इज ए जनरल प्रिंसिपल चार्ट. यही हम लोग अभी डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे आगे चल के. देन यू कैन कम बैक टू दिस. अब लाइव स्ट्रीम जैसे कब मैं लेसन शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ, फ्राइडे को शुरू करूंगा भाई, 3 जुलाई को. तो हियर मेंशन 5 days 0 hour 26 minutes and 45 seconds are left for this live streaming. When time is done, then here join now option is there. Just click and join that. This class note available after the class. This is a downloadable also. This is practice makes perfect part 1, 7th chapter 1. Then write your answer here. Space is available. You can write your answer. अब क्वेश्चन के आंसर लिखने के लिए क्या करेंगे भाई, इसमें देखो ये अटैचमेंट है. व्हेन यू क्लिक अटैचमेंट देन ऑप्शन डाउनलोड इज अपीयर. यू जस्ट क्लिक डाउनलोड देन इट इज डाउनलोड. ओके, तभी आपके सिस्टम में चला. ये देखिए मेरे सिस्टम में आ गया, यू कैन सी. तो आप इसको ऐसे डाउनलोड करके भी यूज कर सकते हो. मैं एडवाइस करूंगा डाउनलोड करके यूज करिए, तो थोड़ा लिखने की प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी.
So, organic chemistry and electrolysis is almost over. But then organic chemistry, I saw in YouTube also some videos and other platforms also they're telling, but they're not giving ready-made notes and they're not assessing after the class. Like this though, like I'm understanding in your class, noting any notes. I'm just listening, and after the class I'm seeing the recording and then writing down the notes.
Good.
And I'm also reading the typed out notes.
Yeah,
So the quizzes are also nice.
good. Thanks for this appreciation, but when one teacher directly involved in this process, then result like this only.